Good evening. Get ready with all your calcium and all. And in the same time, try to have the chart. Okay, this chart. I'm talking about this chart. Chalo, let's begin now. Look at that. If X is a normal variate with a mean, what is mean, bacha? 64. Variance 144. Correct? 64 and Sunil Goda 144. What is 144? Variance is 144 here. And mean is 64. Okay. And find the probability that X is greater than or is equal to 64. X is between, hi Rajat, between and X is less than. All right, bacho. So guys, last class the linang ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. I have told you what ಈಗ solution. What is that? Z is equal to X minus mu divided by what, bacho? What is that? Variance. You can say standard deviation. Correct? And given what they given? X they given mean and mu both are same, right? Mean and mu are both are same. What is that? 64 we have. Okay. Variance they given. Standard deviation is equal to root of 144. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇದು 12 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Okay now. Okay, now ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ X is greater than or is equal to, okay, P of X is greater than or is equal to 67 is equal to what? P is equal to, but X we have X minus mu. What is the mu? Mu is okay, this is perfect. Mu is how much? 64 divided by standard deviation how much? 12. All right, greater than or less than is equal to, yes, X is equal to how much here we have? Here X is equal to 67 we have, minus 64 divided by 12. Okay now, okay bacha. So now P is equal to, this is ultimately Z agate, the Z test, greater than or is equal to 67 bacho, 67 minus 64 divided by 12, that is 0.25. 0.25. Yes, Hizu.
Sir, can you step once more, sir?
Which one?
That P is equal to X minus 64 by 12. That's
Okay.
yes.
Hold on. Okay, just have a look. What they want us to find out, tell me. That is X is equal to or greater than or is equal to 67. Correct? X is greater than or is equal to 67. That means, by dear student, P, look at that. What we have, it is X, we don't have X, right? X minus mu. What is mu? Mu is 64. Correct? Yes or no? Mu is 64. So 64 divided by standard deviation is 12. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Greater than or is equal to, same sign, the sign you have mentioned here, right? The same sign, just copy it here. Next, X is what? X is 67 minus 64 divided by 12. All right? Understood? Now No, the ultimate value for this will be z only, because we don't know the x. We start from x only. So x is greater than or is equal to 67 minus 64. 67 minus 64 divided by 12. That is 0.25. Got it? Got it, bacho? Understood? Any doubt? No doubt? Now, what we have to do is that, look at that. We have to draw a bell curve here. Draw a bell curve. That bell curve, something like this. Okay. Yeah, it's perfect now. So, bacho, we have a center point from this. Draw a center point. So, center point is somewhere like this, from here to here. Okay. And so this is your 0 point. 0 point. So from here 0.25. Okay. 0.25. So from this, just draw it up. And the sign says greater than or is equal to. Correct? Greater than or is equal to. Andre, got it? Got it, bacho? Now, what we need to find out is that area. We have to find out area. Area from 0.25 to, bacho, this is your minus infinity and this is your plus infinity. That means area from 0.5 to infinity. Sorry, finity. Finite number. So now, bacho, listen. So this is 0.25 is, just look at that. Click here and check it. 0.25. Kitna aega? 0.2 we have and 5. It comes here. 0.4613. That is 0.4013. Correct? Yes or no? 0.4013. Understood? Understood, bacho? Can you go for the next? First problem, right? I'm going a little bit slow now. Next, what they are given? Tell me, Rajat.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, without drawing this diagram, we can directly write 0.4013 not, sir, looking at that.
No, you have to draw the drawing, because always bell curve should be shown, especially in case of standard normal distribution.
Oh, it is
Okay?
compulsory to draw.
Compulsory, you have to draw it.
Okay,
Or else
sir.
you will lose 2 marks here. And it's very easy also, right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Tell me if you have any doubt, let me know. I'll help you out. Okay?
No,
So,
sir, I just asked whether to draw.
okay, no problem. Yeah, in exam time, in hurry, you may miss, but I suggest you to note it down. Like in that is a format, right? See,
Okay.
if you are showing some kind of bell curve kind of stuff, you are showing the performance, which level, which side it's going, whether it's a positive side or negative side. Okay.
Okay.
So, bacha, next question we have. P of Nodi. P of 60 less than or is equal to x and less than or is equal to 66. Very interesting. Very interesting. Now, look at that. What we have? P of 60, we have 60 minus 64 divided by 12 less than or is equal to x we have, right? So x means assume that it's z only. But again, for the sake of like formality, x minus 64 divided by 12 and less than, what is it? We have 66 minus 64 divided by 12. Any doubt? Any doubt, my dear student? Doubt hai kya? No doubt? P is equal to 60 minus 64. How much? 60 minus 64 divided by 12. That comes 0 point minus 0 point minus 0.33. Okay? And we have sign here less than or is equal to. That is less than or is equal to. That you have x. That is nothing but z. It's not x. Make it z or z. Less than or is equal to, bacho, 66 minus 64 divided by 12, that comes plus, okay, 0.16. Correct? Or you can make it 17 also. 6 we have, so make it 17. Okay. Now, sir, what is next? Draw this bell curve. Okay? Draw this bell curve. Now, center point. Okay? And what the area is? Negative side. This is the negative infinity and this is the positive infinity. Okay? So, bacho, what we do is that this side is minus, right? So, take it here. Equals that, stop here, because look at that. What this says, it stop here. Less than or is equal to. Less than or is equal to means, bacho, 0.33 minus. And here we have 0.17. Tell me.
Can you draw the that bell curve again, sir? I'm not able to understand.
देख कुछ नहीं है, क्या दिखा रहा देखना है. Check it now here. Look at that. What they given? 0.33, which has minus sign, correct? So,
Yes, sir.
and that is equals. So means this is 0 point. Center point. This side is minus.
So, sir, Z will always be 0, sir.
Yeah, Z is center point. 0. Always, always, always 0.
Okay. And this minus 0.33, we can mark anywhere to the left side.
Anyway to the left side, but make it nearest to the 0, because here I'm not able to get that exact sketch. It will be something like,
Okay.
ठीक है, हो जाएगा, सब जगह bit रही. And you mention it here 0.33, and here we have 0.17, right? That also you can write.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Oh, okay, sir. Yeah.
Now the very important part comes. Look at that. Hey, listen here. You know that, right? Minus infinity to plus infinity is equal to 1. Correct? In the last class itself, I told you. Correct? Yes or no? Bacho. Now, what we need to do is that we need to take minus infinity. Look at that. Note it down. Note it down, bacha. Area from 0 minus 0.33 to from this to this here. Infinity. Not 8. I'll give the end. Okay. And we have to minus. Correct? We have to minus. What we have to minus? Area from area from 0.17 to infinity. Now, so we will go to our sheet. Bacha, look at that. What we have. Here we have infinity 0.33. Correct? Yes or no? Just go down.
Sir, can't we find this in scientific calculator, sir?
Need to check it. अब तक मैं ट्राई नहीं किया. I think you will get, but not sure, बच्चा.
Oh, okay, sir.
Not sure. What we have, बच्चों? Here we have 0.33, correct? 0.33 to infinity. So 0.33 to infinity is 0.33. That is how much? How much we have? 0.3707. No. This ये नहीं आएगा. माइनस है कहां पर इसमें? हाँ, here it is. Okay. Minus 0.0123. 6293. 6293, बच्चा. This one 62.6293 minus from 17. 17 means positive number, right? Positive number. That is 0.17. 0.17, 0.1 we have here, and just go down here. Look at that. 0.4325. 0.4325. 0.693 minus 0.4325. समझ में आया? आगे दे. Yes, tell me, Rajat.
Sir.
Hmm.
Sir, minus 0.33. Can you show that table again? How to take that 0.6293?
Okay, see, we have a area under normal curve from 0 to infinity, correct? Z to infinity. Similarly,
Yes,
we
sir.
have one more table under your this one in page number 409. Look at that. We have all the negative numbers, right?
Huh.
Okay, just go down. Minus 0.33, right? So 0.3, correct?
Huh.
0.3, 0123. This is the number.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So from this to this, just minus it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next. X is less than 62, they said. Bacho, now very simple. X minus 64, that is mean, divided by 12, less than 62 minus 64 divided by 12. Okay? So this will be your Z, less than 62 minus 64 divided by 12. Minus 0.16, or you can make it 7. ಹಾನಮ್ಮ, ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ನಾಳೆ ನಾಡ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಓದ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಈಗ ಇದಾದ್ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಬರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಡೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ. Sorry guys, but they don't understand. Let it be. They want me to take the class. How it possible? We have covered, we have finished, that's it. Remaining ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಈಗ if you are doing any kind of professional courses ಬಚ್ಚೋ, one syllabus is over, that's it. ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಇವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗಿದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್. ಇವನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ 12th, ಅವಾಗೂ ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಕುಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್, ಬಟ್ you should read it on your own. Bacho, what is that? Which side sign is this? Which side? Negative side, right? Do it now.
Minus 0.167. So,
Tell me.
so it is minus 0.167.
हाँ जी, माइनस है ना. So बच्चा, this your 0. Here you get minus 0.17. 17 we get, right?
Oh no, sir, 167.
नहीं रे, you get 6.666 आएगा ना.
हाँ सर, 0.1666 आ रहा है.
तो राउंड ऑफ कर लेना इसको.
हाँ, 0.17 लिखना है. ओके सर, ओके ओके.
0.17 minus, right? Now, which sign it shows? This side, right? Means, bachcho, in that case, what you have to do is that so this is minus infinity. Okay. Now, what is next? Yes, we have to find out area. Area. Now, look at that. If you get a minus infinity, like something like this, we need to find out, bachcho, area from minus infinity to this side, this much. First, we should find out area from this point to this point. Note down. Area from what? Area from what, bachcho? Minus infinity to what? Minus 0.17. Okay. Okay. From that, we will again from this to this here we have to find out minus area from minus 0.17 to plus infinity, and whatever the value you're going to get, just minus it. Chalo, fine, we'll do that now. Chaliye, minus 0.17 minus 0.17 0.1. ठीक है, 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, right? 5675 minus. So again, what they given, कितना बचा यहाँ पर? Minus infinity, right? To the infinity. So इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to minus it 1. So this one will be 1 minus 0.5675. ऐसा करते हैं. Any doubt? बच्चों, you want me to explain once again?
सर ये बहुत जरा टफ हो गया सर, ये स्किप कर सकते हैं सर बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए?
इट्स अ डैम इजी.
सर इट्स अ
अरे
बिट
बाबा,
टफ.
स्टैटिस्टिक इन्फ्रेंस हाइपोथेसिस सामने बहुत इजी है ये. And guys, listen, we don't have anything skip. If you are planning for CA and all, right, chance ही नहीं है anything to skip. Everything is for day to study, and I'll ensure that you get it. But everything has some time, right? So guys, look at that. Look at that. Okay, fine. सुनो बच्चों. Don't get demotivate yourself. From this point to this point, what is that? Tell me. Minus infinity to plus infinity, how much? How much?
1.
1. Correct. We'll agree for this. Okay. So what we do? Area from minus infinity to plus infinity, that is 1. Okay. Minus. Now what? 0.75 hai, right? So minus infinity to minus 0.17. ऐसा करते हैं. That was how much it was? 0.5675. 0.5675. कितना आएगा आंसर? 1 minus 0.5675. 0.4375. ठीक है. इतना डिफिकल्ट भी नहीं आएगा आपको. कैन यू गो फर्दर बच्चों? कैन यू प्रोसीड नाउ? अंडरस्टूड एवरीबॉडी? बोर्ड्स है ना आपका? Here we don't have anything to skip. We are here to learn everything and solve it. Marks scored by the student. Look at that. What they have given. Same thing we have. Can you do it now? बच्चों, mean x bar is equal to what? Mu is equal to 80. ठीक है. Standard deviation, they given the 5. Find the probability that more than, बच्चों, more than, what is more than? P is, right, x is equal to more than what? How much we have? More than 90. Between 80, 85, less than. Very easy. More than 90. And P is equal to what? 70. Right? And less than x less than 85. And P is equal to x less than 75. सॉल्व मारो ना. सॉल्व ಮಾಡಿ बच्चों. हाँ. Can you do it? ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಇಜು, I'll give 2 minutes time. Try to solve this. Try to ಮಾಡಿ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, 100 ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬೇಕು. What we need practice. More than p of x is equal to more than 90. That means x minus 90 divided by standard deviation how much बच्चा 5 greater than. ठीक है, what we have 90 ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಾರಿ mu ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 80 we have, right? So similarly 90 minus 80 divided by 5. So this will be z greater than 90 minus 10. How much? 90 minus 10 divided by 5. That comes 2. Correct? Yes or no, bachcho? So bachcho, here is the 0. Here we have 2, right? Greater than 2 they said. This is the 1 and 2. Draw a line from this. Easy the paitu, bhada easy de. Tell me, this sign, which side is showing? This side, right? Stay. Easy la? But tell me, Hizu, Rajat, Shanti, Sam, don't you find it easy? Bachcho, tell me first. Confusion क्या हो रहा है आपको?
It is easy. I don't know how to do it after the diagram. I don't know what to do.
Till here you understood, right?
Yeah, till here understood.
Okay, very simple. What we want? Look at that. Which side this shade is going out? Yeah, look at that. This side is minus infinity, and here you have plus positive infinity. Correct? Yes or no, bacha? Minus.
Yes, sir.
So from where? Tell me now. Tell me the area that should be from 2 to infinity. Correct? 2. Sorry for this. 2 to what? Infinity. Correct? अरे यार कितना easy है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So just go to the sheet, the where we have all this, and check it in the sheet. कितना है? 2. That is 0.228. .228. That's it.
Sir, 0.0228, sir.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next. This one we have. Chalo.
So after this, you were doing some 1 minus something. So we should not do that here, sir.
Look. Very important point. Look at that. See, when you get something like this, okay, I'll explain when we should do 1 minus. See, if you get between, no 1 minus. If you get greater, no 1 minus. If you get less than, bacha, remember, if you get less than means this side, negative side. In that case, we have to do the 1 minus. समझ में आया?
हाँ, sir.
ಇವಾಗ between ಇದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. Between means we are getting the center value, and greater than also like positive value ಆएगा. If you get less than, where the values are obviously minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ, so you can get it. Got it?
Okay, sir.
$70 less than x less than 85 है ना? Correct? Do it. Very simple. 70 minus 80 divided by 5 less than x minus 80 divided by 5 less than 85 minus 80 divided by 5. Chalo. How much is that? 70. This will be like 70 minus 80 divided by 5. That is minus 2. Less than, this will be z, less than 85 minus 80 divided by 5. It will be n. 1 आएगा ना ये? हाँ जी, got it? So बच्चों, very simple. Zero. So बच्चों, this is 1 minus 1 and minus 2. Here it is 1. Understood? Understood, my dear student? अर्थ आगे दिया? Done. Chalo. Now, what we take? Bacho, we have some area that is from minus infinity. Look at that. So, this is minus infinity and plus. So, minus 2 to infinity. Remember this. Remember this, bacho. Area from minus 2 to infinity and what? 1 to infinity. Minus 1 to infinity. Got it? Got it? So very simple. Tell me. Here we have sheet minus 2. Zero point 9772. 0.9772. And bacho, 1. What is the 1? 0.158. 0.1587. Minus it bacho, 0.9772 minus 0.1587. Izila, don't you find it's a very easy question compared to other this one theoretical distribution or binomial distribution? Compared to that, but your normal distribution is something which is very easy. Less than 75 marks. Chalo ji, x minus mean is how much? Mean is 80 divided by 5 less than 75 minus 80 divided by 5. This will be z less than 75 minus 80. 75 minus 80 divided by 5 means it comes minus 1. The very important part is that this is 0. So this side is minus, right? ठीक है? Area from what? This is minus side, right? So what we should do? Minus infinity to plus infinity. That is 1 minus. Minus what? Area from where to where? Bacho, minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus 1. Yes, but the minus 1. Zero point 8413 minus 1, right? 0.8413. 0.8413 minus 1. That's it. Understood, bacho? Anybody? Doubt? Hey विहारिका हिजू यार सीए फाउंडेशन का एग्जाम चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ is my voice clear for you and Sunday मतलब ऑफलाइन क्लास था तो I have completed them one complete chapter. Hi Girish, let's begin बच्चों. Look at that. What they have given. Given is weight of 1000 students are normally distributed with the mean. Okay, mean is equal to what bacha? Mean is equal to x bar. X bar is equal to mu. Mu is equal to how much? 55 kg. Standard deviation they given 3 kg. Standard deviation they given 3 kg. Find the number of students with a weight less than. Means what bacha? Simple. Less than means that's what p is equal to less than 58 kg, between and more than. Okay. Okay. Hi Sam. Now bacho, you know that, right? Formula for what? Z is equal to x minus mu divided by standard deviation. Correct. And yeah, first is what? First is what? Less than 58 kg. So first we can say that p less than 58 kg. ठीक है बच्चों, that means p of x is equal to less than 58 kg. है ना? है ना? तो बच्चों, now if you just want to simplify this, p of x is equal to less than 58 kg means very simple and very easy. Yeah, x minus mu. Mu is what? 55. Okay, divided by 3 kg. And less than what बच्चों? Less than 58 minus 55 divided by 3. Correct? Yes or no? So this will be the z, I mean z, less than 58 minus 53. 55, sorry, 55, right? ये 55 होगा. 58 minus 55 divided by 3 कितना आएगा? Tell me. 58 minus 55 divided by 3 is 1. Correct? Understood, बच्चों? Can you go for the next? Chalo, if you draw this in bell curve, बच्चों, this is your center point. ठीक है, and this is your 0. So what this is less than 1. 1 is positive man. It is a positive, right? So that means it comes here 1. That means what we do? Yes, yes, yes. Just bring it up. And push it this side, this side, this side. So which side is going? Which side is going? It's going minus side, right? So assume that this is your, this is minus infinity and this is your plus infinity. Correct. Next is what? We need to find out the area. Very simple. Area from, look at that. बच्चों केटले area from minus infinity to 1. What we should do? So it's a minus, right? Minus means what? What do you do? Minus infinity to plus infinity. That is 1 minus, yes, this one 1 to infinity. Correct? Yes or no? So now what is 1 to infinity? Somebody tell me. बच्चों बताओ जी, ऐसा करते हैं? अरे चार्ट है किसी के पास? हट दिया? अरे बच्चों बताओ ना, आर यू देर? बच्चों 0.1587 कितना आएगा? ऐसे बढ़ते कितना आएगा? 1 minus 0.158587, that comes 87. Okay, 0.8413. Got it? Got it, my dear student? Understood? Now is what? Look at that. What they're given? They're given 1000 as a number, right? This is a big N. This is big N. So to this, what we are going to do? We are going to just multiply that. Correct? So 1000 multiplied by 0.8413. Anama. Anama. ಅದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋ ರಿಯೋ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ 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 ಬಾಯ್. But you understood? Guys, Shanti, Izu. Next is what? Between 57 kg and 60 kg. अरे रिस्पॉन्ड तो करो ना. $57 and 60 kg. That means same thing. That means P is equal to X minus X नहीं आएगा 57. ठीक है, फर्स्ट 57 आएगा ना. 57 minus mu is how much? Mu is 55 divided by 3, right? Less than X minus 55 divided by 3 less than 60. Okay, minus 55 divided by 3. Tell me बच्चों, what is that? 57 minus 55 कितना आएगा? 57 minus 55 divided by 3. It comes 0.67. 0.67 less than z. Correct? And this will be कितना आएगा जी? 60 minus 55 divided by 3. It's 1.67. 1.67. Is that clear? Is that clear? अरे भाई रिप्लाई तो करो, रिप्लाई मत टिप्पा। ओह माय गॉड, क्या नाराज हो गए? ये ना तप्पा नहीं मगे सैम। यस 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 ಹಂಗಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ದಾಗ ಯಾರು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ब ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. वो बहुत काम करता है, इसीलिए मैं उन लोगों को भी क्लास लेते रहता हूँ जो सीए के रहते हैं ना बच्चे. आई हैव टेकन सेकंड पीयूसी के लिए आज सेम टाइम आई हैव टेकन 2 classes सेम टाइम. आई मीन वन साइड अकाउंटेंसी क्लास वाज गोइंग ऑन, अनदर साइड या CA foundation. Same, we have one laptop ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ I have given work to them and I was teaching them. ऐसा चला है आज. Same time 2 classes. One is for CA foundation. They were saying, ये सर क्या कर रहे हो? यार करना पड़ता है. 0.67. 0.67. And second thing, you can't believe that, guys. Not a single university. I'm managing so many universities single-handedly. तो ये भी थोड़ा लोड हुआ है मेरे पे. But no worry, stat आयतु, accounts आयतु, and even business also. I'm sure, I know that. I will do it. So guys, look at that. 0.67, 1.67, correct? So this is the sign you should give here. ठीक है जी? And बच्चों, this is your minus infinity and plus infinity. Okay, thank you. Now what बच्चों? Now is what? Yes, we have, this is a very important part, very important part. Look at that. From this, look at that, 90% student get the doubt. From here to here, what we have? 1. Correct? From here to here, we have what? We have 1 equal to 1. Now we cannot count from here to here. What we do is that bacha, we will take from 0.67 to plus infinity. Correct? And 1.67 to plus infinity, and difference is the your answer, right? So very simple है, बहुत simple है. Look at that. Area from what बच्चों? What? Yes, 0.67 to infinity. 0.67 to infinity. ठीक है जी? Minus again 1.67 to infinity. 1.67 to this is infinity. Now tell me the area, same thing. What calculate, right? So very easy to है ना. 0.67 बच्चों, this is the 0 and 7 कहाँ पर आएगा जी? 7 आएगा यहाँ पर. 2514 0.2514 0.2514 minus is what? Yeah, 1.67, right? So go down here. 1.6 we have 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Correct? Yeah. Yes. 0 point. Yes, this is the answer. 0.45. 0.0475. Minus it, my dear student. कितना आएगा? How much is that? 0.2514 minus 0.0475. That is yes, 0.2039. So this we have to multiply with 1000, right? 1000 multiply by 0.2039. 203. Correct? 203.9 approximately 204. समझ में आया बच्चों? अर्थ आಗಿದೆ? And the last, more than 50. Same. Nothing. Last third point is that P is more than more than 50 they said. Correct? So that means P of X is equal to greater than 50. ठीक है? ऐसा करते हैं. Do it बच्चों, do it. X minus 55 divided by 3. Right? And it says more than 50 minus 55 divided by 3. Tell me, this will be your Z greater than 50 minus 55 divided by 3. कितना आएगा? 50 minus 55 divided by 3. हाँ प्रवीण, हाँ ना पा कर सकते नहीं. You guys are like ये क्या कर रहे हो यार? Evening में क्या होता है? Every day I get student. Like look at that. I'll explain that. I have a student from Bangalore University, Mysore University, Hassan University, Tumkur University. That is the South Karnataka. I have a student from Rani Chennamma University, Bangalore, Karnataka University, and this side we have Akkamahadeva University, Ballari University, and that's it. Yeah, VSKB University we have, Gulbarga University we have. So these all students, they want to learn under me. Like you guys are there, right? Same thing. So problem what happens is that if I appoint somebody, they will say please refund our money, and the number is every day touched with the God grace, Allah ka shukr hai. Guys, every day numbers is keep on increasing, and in that I do have some commitment of offline classes. I mean, they are such a crazy guys. They don't focus what under whom they are learning. They always talk, and they're like, this is almost probably this year, from this year onwards, I'm planning to skip business and economics subject for them because everything is going to be online very soon. This is the scene. ಸಮೀಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ವಿತ್ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ 3 days ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲೋಂಗ. ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 1000 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, 1000 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, and if you just multiply with the 1000 rupees, what happens here? This is going to be around 10 lakh rupees I'm earning for one subject. If you multiply with the 3 subject, yeah, it's only because of the online classes. Getting a point? So this is a scene, and coincidentally no one wants to learn under different educators. If I appoint somebody, they will say sir nahi chahiye, bega gelpa ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕವರ್ ಯರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ರಿಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. Everything will be streamlined, but CA foundation is something like on the priority basis. I have to take them because they have classes in upfront, like within 2 days they have classes, exams, so I have to take them. All right, bacho. So statistic class, see, the day when you called me, you called me, right? I know that I give priority to all the equals to all the students equally. It's not like koi CA ka hai, koi BCom ka hai, koi Rani Chennamma ka hai, koi Mysore University ka hai. That is different story. But what I do that I focus only all the students are equal for me. My job is to teach, and my job is to make sure that you learn it. Got it? So don't take it another way. Yes, I will look at that from since morning 8:30 I started my classes. This is how. And one more thing, rather evening, can I take morning classes? I mean, this class around 5:30 6 o'clock. 5:30 I'll get up, so that if I start 5:30, we can finish it soon, and there is no point of waiting in the evening, right? class ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ. Hizu, you say, what about others? Because I'll be completely fresh. ये थोड़ा दिमाग जो होता है, दिमाग का बच्चा होता है. I want everyone to join, right? Viharika, can you come, bacha? Because evening we have 5 to 6 university, right? I need to engage all the classes for them. That is the scene.
Yes, sir, it is fine.
I know that for you it's fine. What about others? Sam, will you join in the morning? Viharika, Shantam, Papam. Because first, once you start 5:30 to 6:30, I can go for the pray. I can go for the morning run. I mean, morning jogging. Like I can finish it and go. I can come to the institute. I can take CA foundation classes, accounts, and I can again evening tension in na. Will you join, my dear student? Okay. 6 o'clock in the college. So guys, let's see. I want everyone to join, huh? Very simple is that. So, but so now what this says is that look at that. Which side arrow is that? This is the positive side, right? Positive side means what we can do is that minus 1.67 to the positive infinity means area from what we have. Yeah, it is minus 1.67 to infinity. Correct. So yeah, just go to this sheet and minus 1.67. If you allow me, I love to take in the morning session. I love to take, but I can start. But let me know if everyone agrees. I can 0.6 and 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0.9525, 0.9525, 0.9525. Sam, try to karna. Every day morning you go. Yes, sir. Morning. Oh my God. Then what time you woke up? Oh, how come bacha? 6 o'clock they start the college. If you don't mind, can you join? Can you watch our recorded classes? And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the evening. See, I will ensure that I'll ensure that you learn everything. I'll focus considering all because in between you are above average. I know that you catch very fast. The other day I have seen you like you're getting it very fast. The style of teaching I have, right, that suits to your understanding. That is why what I thought is that why can't you watch recorded classes? And yeah, Hizu will be there. He can ask all the questions whenever, even a small doubt. He will upfront. He will ask. Not a problem. Considering Sam, considering Shanti, considering Viharika, everybody. So I can take morning classes. I love to. You know that, right? Even try to understand my situation. It's like one CA foundation because like this is over, right? I can again resume classes in the evening. I don't have any issues. Evening I love to, but sometimes what happens is these kind of like especially statistical inferences. I need a fresh mind. Means battery should be charged up, right? This one. And you don't know in the afternoon there are around 70 students are there. Almost boys. You can take girls also. They're so crazy. They're not serious at all. If they support us, like yeah, we can move a little bit fast. I can accelerate myself. But what happens this time? The offline batch is pathetic. You cannot imagine that much uh, crazy or I can't say, but that's the situation. Let it be. You don't know how I scold them, how I punish them. I have all that bamboos and all, but even though they laugh after getting punishment, it's like small LKG school. They are not at all serious about the results. Even Shanti, तू भी आज मार खाई ना मेरे हाथ से. She is hiding my that Rio Baba Katgi. Shantam Papam. Yar, I see batch. Oh, that is what because of this kind of batch I stopped teaching this one theoretical part. Yeah, I don't want to teach now. Economics and business, I don't want to. I do have a limit, right? So guys, this is it. This is it. Understood, my dear lovely student? You can approximately you can say it's 9:53. समझ में आया बच्चों? समझ में आया जी? My dear प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, सर क्योंकि आप मारते हो, you have that earphone your ear, and you listen the song, and in the same time you predict as if you are understanding what we are explaining on the board. ये नहीं चलेगा ना, सही नहीं है बच्चा. You will realize one day, oh, we did a mistake. You will realize, I'm sure you will realize. So guys, I just want to for you, I want, please Sam मेरा बच्चा, now please solve this and we'll try to finish tomorrow, because morning time we can do it very fast. I mean, इतना fresh रहता ना तो fast हो जाएगा काम. Look at that, please. 5:15, like hardly I will be in my bedroom, right? So only the matter is like I just want to wash my face and brush करूंगा, class start कर दूंगा, उतना ही. So every system तो ready है वहां पर, setup is ready, Wi-Fi, everything is ready, so problem ही नहीं होगा आपको. 5:15 will start and 6:30 will finish, ठीक है? If you take in the morning, that's it, बच्चा. Can whole day you will be like, you will have some other work also. Even I'll be engaging at 7:30. I'll be engaging some other classes. Please, my dear प्यारे बच्चों, please आ जाओ कल morning. Right? Similar, fresh up and we'll start. All right. Yeah, economics, but not we call. Or is that something? Okay, bachcho, I have one more class after this for BCom third sem, Rani Channamma University, Karnataka University, and Bangalore University. After that, one more class for BCom first sem. Bye bye. I guess. Chalo guys, bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Izu, I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good night. Call me tomorrow morning 5:30. 5:55. 5:30 is the class time, but yes, sometimes it may be start from 5. Okay. Chalo. Bye bye. चलिए शुरू. And yeah, this will be continuing every day now. Statistic, and very soon I'm planning to start accountancy as well in the morning. Around is my voice clear? Question: what they say? Height of 2,000 soldiers. I mean, this is a big N. Okay, this is a big N now. Hana, 2,000 soldiers. Height of 2,000 soldiers are normally distributed to the mean. What is the mean, my dear student? Mean is mu. N is 2,000. Correct. And yeah, mean is, that is mu, 165 centimeter. And variance they given. Variance means what, bacha? Variance is nothing but variance. Variance is kitna ji? That is 16. That convert is this to the standard deviation. That comes 4. All right, that comes 4 with the height. Okay, less than 170, between 166 and 1868, more than it is. So yeah, you know the formula, right? Z is equals to what? x minus mu divided by standard deviation. Start writing बच्चों. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? Now what is next? Very simple, my dear student. Here they given less than, so write down p of less than 170 centimeter. That is your wait, I just want to share this. Yeah, correct. So if you want, okay, chalo munna x we don't know the value, mu we have, right? What is mu? 165 is the mu, divided by standard deviation how much? 4. Standard deviation is 4. Similarly, less than this sign, correct? And that has bacho 170 minus 165 divided by 4. Can somebody tell me what is the final answer for this? Respond Madipa. Tell me bacho. Is on. Hey Sam, good morning bacha. How much is that? Esta karte?
1.25.
1.25. Okay, this side is going right. I mean, the negative side of that minus infinity side is moving out. So just draw the bell curve. Draw the bell curve. So this is a positive, right? Now 1.25 is positive. Hana? So this is your 0. Okay. You can just write it somewhere here. Okay. 1.25. Shade this on the minus infinity side. This side. समझ में आया बच्चों? समझ में आया? So now what we do is that बच्चों area from minus infinity to plus infinity, and in that we have to minus, right? Minus area from 1.25 to infinity. Note down. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? Minus infinity to plus infinity. Out of that, we are going to minus what, bacho? 1 minus 25 to infinity. So this will be 1 minus. Now the infinity area we have to check. That is minus 1. Stop it. Somebody, do you have the chart with you? Bacho, tell me fast. कितना
No,
आएगा?
sir.
नहीं है. One second.
So where will we get that chart?
I'll share you, bacha.
Okay, sir.
You have this textbook now?
Yes, I have it.
In the last page. Here is that. Look at this chart. Right? So, bacho, this is the minus side, I mean negative side, and here we have positive sides. Okay. Now 1.25, correct? 1.25 means you can take it from this. Very simple. 1.25. This is the scene. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That becomes 0.1056. 0.1056. All right, bachcho. So just minus it. Minus ಮಾಡಿ. One minus 0.1056. That is, my dear student, 0.98994. Okay? And we have n, right? N is what? N is 2000 multiplied by 0.98944. ऐसा करते हैं 1900 and what is that? Tell me, Viharika.
Sir, it is 0.8944. 0.89, right? Viharika? Yes, sir.
0.89. What is next?
44.
Just multiply with this now 2000 number. 2000 multiplied by 0.8944. That comes 1788 or approximately 88.8 it is. Or 1789. समझ में आया? Understood बच्चों? Next, what this is? क्या बोल रहे हैं? Ready? Next, they're saying between 166 centimeter and 168 centimeter. They say. ठीक है जी? चलो. Between, right? Between 166 centimeter, 168 centimeter. 168 centimeter. ठीक है? Now, that is, बच्चों, very simple. 166 less than x less than what? 168 centimeter. चलिए solve this now. Let's solve this बच्चों. Z is equals to, what do we get? 166 minus standard deviation is how much? Sorry, mu is 165 है ना? और mu is 165. ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 165 divided by standard deviation is 4 less than x minus 165 divided by 4 less than, what is next? 168 minus 165. Yes, bacha. Tell me, Hizu.
So we have to take Z for every question, every sub question, sir.
Correct. Every questions we have to take it. That is the value
Okay,
we
sir.
need to find out now. वही तो find करना हम लोगों को.
Uh-huh.
Now Z will be in between these two numbers, right? Tell me, bacha, what we get here? It gets 166 minus 165 divided by 4. That is 0.25. Less than, this was Z, right? Z, because we have X, the value we need to find out. So next is what? 168 minus 165 divided by 4. That means 0.75. Okay? Understood?
अब सर इसका भी नॉर्मल टेबल फाइंड करना है सर.
हाँ, इसका भी करना पड़ेगा. Everything.
Okay, sir.
Easy. दिखा दो देख मैं. इकल सुनो चेक मारो. भाड़ इजी है. उसमें कुछ मतलब ये नहीं है उतना, मतलब रॉकेट साइंस नहीं इसमें. ओनली थिंग इज आर प्रैक्टिस. अगर जितना आपको मतलब प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा ना, दैट मच यू फाइंड वेरी इजी. And my job is to make sure that I should solve all the problems. जितने भी problems है ना, ಎಲ್ಲ solve ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಮುಗೀತು. You can easily ಇದು question compared to other subjects, like other chapters, it's very easy there. ठीक है बच्चों? Now tell me what they are given. बताओ जी बताओ. Look at that. See, here we have 0.25. That is positive. This is also positive. Z in between this. So that means this is your 0. ठीक है? And my dear student, 0.25. 0.25. And you can say 0.75. 0.25, and here we have 0.75. इसमें थोड़ा ನನ್ನ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬಲ್ಕ್ ಅದು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು. ಎವ್ರಿವನ್?
Yes, sir.
And not necessarily should have scale. Scale की क्या जरूरत नहीं है. Scale में ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ನೀವು manually you can write it. It does not have any standard measures. Okay, scale ಅದೆಲ್ಲ centimeters ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Sir, I have a doubt in this drawing diagram.
Tell me.
How do we know like what to shade, sir, and what to minus?
Okay, here you'll get now area you get, correct? Right? Diagram you can solve it.
Yes, sir.
Only problem is that you're not able to find out from where to where we have to minus, and which are
What
the
to
values we
shade.
should find it. हाँ जी.
Yes, sir.
See, one thing you should ensure that you should know this. Okay, minus infinity to plus infinity is 1. Okay.
Okay.
Now they said the area is between this area, means from 0.25 to 0.75. These are two area we have, correct? Yes or no? So our
Yes, sir.
first ensure that there is something called the total area is from here to here is 1, correct? So we'll start. Why can't we take 0.25 to till infinity? Look at that. देखना यहाँ पर. Because if now what happening is that it is restricted to this shaded area, right? Now our area is, like in previous problem, it was going this side. Right? This was in negative infinity till infinite. It was going, correct? Now बच्चों, now the area is limited. Limited to what? Hi Deepa, hi Likit. Limited to this area, right? So what we do is that area, look at that. Area from 0.25 to infinity. Correct? From this to positive infinity. Similarly, 0.75. 0.75 to it has infinity. Got it? Now 0.25 to infinity. What is the area we have? Which is the area? 0.25, 0.2, and here we have 5. That is what बच्चों? That is your कितना है?
0.4013.
0.4013.
13.
Okay, 0.4013, and that is to be minus. Minus one what it is?
0.2266.
0.75 ना?
0.2266.
Yeah, here it is. 0.2266. ठीक है? 0.226. So tell me answer. कितना आएगा बताना बच्चा? How much is that? Hi Abdul, good morning बच्चा.
0.1747.
0.1747.
1747.
No, 53.
No, so you took only 226. It is 2266.
Oh. Zero point
1747.
Now we have 1000, right? 1000 is the, and we are given 2000. 2000 है. Multiply by 0.1747. इस बढ़ते हैं. Tell me बच्चों.
349.4.
349.4. Perfect. You got it now? And this question carries 8 marks, I think. Yeah. Check नहीं किया. It has all the options and you'll get easy questions. It's not like उतना hard question नहीं आएगा. First tough question बढ़ेंगे लेंगे. Next, more than 163. Logic apply ಮಾಡಿ very easily you can do it. I'm sure you can do it. It's not that much like उतना ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ನಮೂನಿ ಇದೆ question answers, but it's not that much difficult. Remember this. P of x is equal to, yeah, more than 163. No, more than 163. That means my dear student, x greater than 63. Chalo. X minus standard deviation they have given. Yeah. X minus what? Bacho, very simple. 165 is your mu, right? And standard deviation is 4. And more than 163 minus 165 divided by 4. Divided by 4. ऐसा करते हैं. 1 निमिष.
Minus 0.5.
Minus 0.5. Okay. 163 minus 165 divided by 4. That comes, this will be z, right, greater than minus 0.5. Draw the bell curve, bachcho. Draw the bell curve. हाँ so guys, this is your 0 and it has minus value, right? Minus value means somewhere here. Correct? Yes or no? Take this up. अरे यार क्या हुआ है? Share this area. Till infinity we have. Correct? Yes or no, बच्चों? Now, what is next? Area from, since it's positive side, right? Area from minus 0.15 to infinity. 0.5 to infinity. कितना आता है? बताओ जी बताओ. 8 रुपए का दो. It comes 0.6915. Correct? 0.6915. Shanti, you also joined. Very good. 0.6915. 0.6915. 0.6915. चलो, I'll last करना सिखाऊंगा. By tomorrow I'll explain how we have to take it area and what is the standard procedure, because you cannot buy this. This is as easy technique we have and you can do it. Okay? So बच्चों, now we have this 2000, just multiply with 0.6915.
1083.
1383. This is it. But let's solve the next problem. One more problems we'll solve and
Sir,
हाँ बेटा.
we have pre-boards on January 4th, sir. So can we complete by then?
January 4th, right? How many chapters you have? How
Yes,
many
sir.
chapters you have?
We have all full book.
Okay. Statistical inferences, everything will cover. And you have my other videos also, right? Like game theory and all.
Oh, recorded. Okay, sir.
Just go through
But
it.
inference is not there in that, sir.
That's what. Right after this, I'll focus on inferences only.
Okay, sir.
Right after this, we'll start that. Still, how many questions we have? Okay, almost done. Today we'll finish this, and tomorrow we'll take all the exercise questions and we'll finish. And yeah, we can. I'll do one thing, guys. Listen, in previous 15 years question papers I have, right? All that question papers plus practice papers will solve. So you'll get most of the question from that practice papers and previous question papers. Okay? And even we have 2 marks, 1 marks question, right? That theoretical part that needs to be discussed. चलिए बच्चों, start now. Monthly income of employee follow the normal distribution with mean. Okay, mean is 18,000, right? And standard deviation they are given, that is 800. Okay, find the percentage of employee with monthly income that is less than and between. Yeah, you got it right. Exactly what we are trying to do, बच्चों. Everybody, विहारिका, शांति, समझ में आ रहा है ना? Sam is going to college. Okay, Sam, you can watch recorded classes, no problem. How come, re Baba? So early? 6 o'clock they start the college. What is your college time?
8 to 3, sir.
Then looks 6 o'clock is perfect time. 8 to 3 is like almost 7 hours. Chaliye. Look at that. Less than 20,000. Correct? Less than 20,000. That means P of X is equal to less than 20,000. ठीक है बच्चों tell me, this is X we have, correct? So P of is equal to X minus what is mu? 18,000 divided by 800. Divided by 800. They said less than, correct? That is 2,000. Sorry, 20,000. 20,000 minus 18,000 divided by 800. समझ में आया? समझ में आया my dear student? अर्थ आ दिया. So this will be your Z and less than 2,000 minus 18,000 by 800. How much it is?
2.5.
2.5. That will be positive, no? Account भी morning रहेगा तो अच्छा रहेगा, I think 6 to 7. Evening I will start all this economics and all. That is what I'm thinking. At one slot it will be finished, right? Accounts and start, and morning time is perfect time for learning also. Evening they can practice. बच्चों, this is your 0. ठीक है? And yes, our 2.5 start from here, somewhere here, right, my dear student? Share this area. Share this area, बच्चों. Okay, now we have to take minus 1, right? 1 minus. Tell me why we should take 1 minus here. बताओ जी, बताओ.
So because area from minus infinity to plus infinity is 1.
Yeah. And in the same time, the shaded area is going on the minus infinity side, right? So that is why we have to take it. So area from minus infinity to plus infinity, that is your 1. And now what we should do is that 2.5 to positive, I mean infinity. अरे क्या हो रहा है? It's getting close. Area from minus infinity to plus infinity, and what बच्चों? Yeah, 2.5 to infinity. So this is 1 we have, and positive number 2.5 ये एक्स्ट्रा करता हूँ. Tell me बच्चों, ये एक्स्ट्रा करते हैं ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 2.5, that is 0.4013. Correct? 0.4013.
So, but this is 2.5 now, so not 0 point, right, sir?
Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 0.0054. 0.0054. Yeah.
So, but 2.5 is 0.0062.
ऐसा है.
So first value में है ना sir, 50 है ना, 5 2.5.
1 second. Aha. Yeah. 0.0062. 0.0062. माइनस इट बच्चों इस बढ़ते 1 minus 0.0062. That comes 0.9938. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ how many employees are there? n तो नहीं दिया ना उन लोगों ने. n they have not given. Percentage means percentile means what you should do? We have to multiply with the 100, right? That comes 99.38. समझ में आया? अर्थ आ गया? थोड़ा स्लो जा रहा हूं मैं, but now I'll be like lies between 16,000 and 17,000. 16,000 to 16,000 and 16,000 and 17,000. That is 16,000 less than x less than 17,000. Correct, बच्चों? Now what? Now what? Yes, 16,000 minus 18,000 divided by 800. ठीक है जी? Less than x minus 18,000 divided by 800 less than 17,000 minus 18,000 divided by 800. So, bacha, tell me what is the answer you get?
Minus 2.5.
Minus 2.5 less than, this is a z, and less than what? This one?
Minus 1.25.
Minus 1.25. Chaliye, perfect. Now, my dear student, you know that right how to draw this diagram because it's between. That means वो आएगा ना diagram. अदिन बर्तला. It has a limited area, right? It neither a minus infinity side or positive infinity side. It's in between. Correct? Draw this. This is your 0. Correct? Bacha, next is what? Minus. Okay, here it is. Here you get minus 1.25. Here we get 2.5. Minus infinity side. Just shade this now. Shade this first. And tell me, Hizu, what is next? What we do?
So we have to subtract that area from 1.
हाँ जी. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ದಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪೆನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪೆನಲ್. ಸೊ ಥೋಡಾ ಇದು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್ ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಲೋ, ಉतना भी मतलब ये नहीं है ना, इजी ಇದೆ. ಈಗ बच्चों listen, here we have to, we cannot minus it from 1. yeah, ಕೇಳಲೆ one logic ಇದೆ. if this point ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಟಿಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನೈಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ತಗೋದಿದ್ವಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ 0.25 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಕೇಳಿ. ಏರಿಯಾ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2.5 to infinity. to infinity. Similarly, minus 1.25 to infinity. Tell me, 2.5. What is 2.5, bacha? Tell me, Iso.
1 minute, sir.
2.5. Yeah, it is
0.938.
0.9938. 0.9938 minus
0.8944.
1.25, right?
0.8944.
Okay, here is that. है ना, 0.8944. टेल मी कितना है बताओ. माइनस 8.
0.1094.
Nah, is that?
Oh, sorry, sir. No, it's not.
Minus
0.0994.
correct. Now it's perfect. 0.0994.
994.
Somebody has raised the risk request. So to this we have to multiply by 100, right? 100 multiplied by 0.0994. Tell me.
9.94.
9.94. Approximately कितना आएगा? 10. ठीक है? No doubt बच्चों. %, you can say. Let's solve one more. Understood? Any doubts you have?
No, sir.
Now you find it easy, right? अभी easy लग रहा है नहीं?
हाँ, sir.
अभी actually syllabus ही ऐसा है second PUC का कि the more further and further if you go, right, problems are like looks like you have solved first time. Everything same time. सबको ऐसा ही होता है. But if you practice some like more and more questions, right, you find it like अरे यार कितना easy है, बहुत easy देता. First time if you look at that, it looks so hard. Oh क्या है ये? But in reality, it's not like that. Same similar to second PUC maths, but उतना difficult नहीं है. Only thing is that you need to practice. ठीक है बच्चों? चलो, normally vary to the standard mean and standard deviation. Find that x takes the value of 2 standard normal neighborhood of. Okay. Look at that. What they want. बच्चों सुनो. If x is a normal variate with the mean and standard deviation, find the probability that x takes the value of 2 neighborhood. Now tell me, what is a neighbor 2 neighborhood? 2 neighborhood means what? Look at that. Bacho, 2 neighborhood means we know that this one, right? Bell curve, where in the beginning itself I had told you, if you draw this bell curve, bacho, if you draw this, you will get something like this. 1 second, I will just show that. कहाँ गया रे? हाँ जी, यहाँ पर है. Now it's perfect. Look at this. ठीक है बच्चों, they want us to find out 2 neighborhood. Now tell me, what is 2 neighborhood we have? How many? Positive side and negative side. Correct? Yes or no? Hi or no? Look at that. They want us to find out 2 neighborhood. This is one side we have negative side, another is positive side. Neighborhood hai na? Haudullah. Eager. Now what, by utilizing this, see our shade area will be somewhere here. Correct bachcho? Now what is next, sir? Look at that. Very simple. In P of what we have, mu minus 2 standard deviation mu, this one. Mu minus 2 standard deviation minus mu divided by standard deviation, one neighborhood, and next this is a between, correct? Between means x minus mu divided by standard deviation, and the same value we get, that is in the positive side, mu plus 2 standard deviation minus mu. Listen, our x value is here, but our x value is this much. This is our x value and this was our x values. Got it? Got it बच्चों? अर्थ आगे दिया? Tell me fast. Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir. Understood.
चलो. Now very simple. Just remove the standard deviation to standard deviation. देखना. Remaining same thing. इसका गया है ना? So बच्चों, what is left? Mu gaya. What is that? Minus 2 is left here, and less than, this is your z, right? And this is also 2 positive 2 side. This is not okay. This is a z. Got it? Understood? Now we have to find out area from. बताना कितना आएगा? Tell me, from this to positive infinity, from this point to here, and from this point to here, the differences you will get.
So 0.9772.
Okay. Zero point
9772.
972 and minus
0.0228.
0.0228.
0228.
माइनस बच्चा कितना है बताना?
0.9544.
0.9544. That's it. Yes, I think Viharika has a doubt. Tell me, bacha.
Sir,
Viharika,
sir, won't -2 and -4 be -6, sir?
where?
Like it's in the for the equation, sir. Mu -2 -4, so it'll be -6, no, sir.
You're talking about this one?
No, the previous one, sir. The first one.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Nare. We have, look at that. We have one mu here. That
Yes, sir.
is following with a 2 standard deviation and minus mu. Minus mu and plus mu is going to be 0, right?
Okay, sir. I thought it was 4, sir. It looked like 4. That's why I
Oh
asked,
my
sir.
God. Sorry. It's my mistake. अरे यार इसको लिखते ही वैसा है, क्या करूं बताओ मेरे को? I should write my 4 like this. चलो चलो चलो. Understood, right? Guys, this time is perfect. I mean, even I'm planning to start accountancy morning because evening I can take economics and business, right? So yeah, and even you do can join. You can also join. I don't have any issues there. In YouTube, I will be engaging classes and most probable questions that you can expect for your boards and pre-boards. I have extracted all, and yeah, that questions are going to be appear for your final exams. Please join. All right. So guys, from by tomorrow we'll finish it. You guys need this one more day or 2 days. Okay, take it 2 days. By Thursday we'll finish it. Thursday, Friday we'll finish, and after that, chi-square is a very tiny chapter. We can do it very fast. T-test also, and yeah, well before pre-board, I'll finish your statistical inferences. Don't worry about that. Okay, guys. And yeah, this chapter by Sunday, I'll try my best to finish it. And from Monday, we'll start the statistical inferences. Okay, ji? And if you have any questions, let us know. If not, I'll give you some questions, try to solve. And yeah, we need equal support, right? Like if I give you some homework, please try yourself. If not, no problem. If you're not able to solve, that's fine. At least try, no? ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಏನಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Nothing is going to happen. At least you tried. And next day, yeah, it's my responsibility. I'll take it. I'll solve it. But guys, I want you to solve these questions. ठीक है? चलिए बच्चों, we'll end this session now. I'll continue tomorrow. Bye bye. And those who are watching on the YouTube, please like ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, share ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ